Hey everybody, welcome back to Stack Attack. We're taking a look at this question: how do I make a flat list out of a list of lists in Python? So you've probably been in this circumstance where you have a list of lists of whatever, and you want it to look like this, and it looks like that, and that's really annoying. So the main method people use is either list comprehension or nested for loops. So basically what that code will do is it loops through each list, and then it loops through each element in the list of like your list of lists, and then it adds it to a new empty list. And that's pretty much what we're gonna do. We're gonna use a different method found by Nico. Shout out Nico. They did a bunch of work and a bunch of speed tests on this, and they found this is the fastest method. But this method is kind of unreadable, and it imports two things, so we're not gonna use it. But if you're really crunching on like speed, I would use this. But if it's not like that important, this is still pretty fast, and it's a lot more readable. You just loop through each sublist in your bigger list, and you do out.extend on it. So let's take a look at some code. So as you can see, we have our list of lists here. We're gonna print it, then we're making a new empty list called flat list. So if you wanna do some nested for loops, you do for row in your list, and then for call in row, so each number in each list, and you just append that to your new empty list. And then this is the same exact code, but as like list comprehension. So it's col for row and L for col and row. So yeah, pretty simple. But if we wanted to use the new method, you would do for sub in list. So for sub list in our bigger list, and then we would do flat list dot extend, and we'd pass in that sub list. Make sure to save, and then I'm gonna run this code. So Python flat list. As you can see here, we have our list of lists, and then we have our flattened list here. So it's pretty cool, and apparently it's pretty fast. So next time you have to do this, go ahead and use extend. Well, thanks for listening, and I hope you learned something.